Is
Ay, wala pa.
the elementary category. Okay, so third placer we have Super Grandmaster Rensmar Camposa. Third placer Grandmaster Rensmar Camposa. Picture, picture. Okay, our second placer we have Super Grandmaster Johan Sanitara. And sa ang champion sa elementary category, we have Woman Super Grandmaster Larisma K. Congratulations, dear youngsters. Katatagaan sa masinong papa ng ating mga youngsters.
Patay Super Grandmaster Gabriel!
Okay, let's award our
Wala.
Ito ang mga
Carl! First honor! Ismail!
We have third placer, Super Grandmaster Jeronimo Quintiliano. Our second placer, in qualified for candidates para sa World Championship match.
Wow! Wow!
Super Grandmaster Linjan J. Lucero.
Palit, lollipop po, lollipop!
World Champion! Grandmaster Orlando Arriba.
World champion guys! World champion! Ano Jay? Ano ay, kuhan, world champion po? Bookish? Unsay masulti nimo? Unsay masulti nimo?
Thank you.
Ah, grabe ka.
Thank you for the support.